Since the temperature is going to be almost 85, 86 degrees in Bakersfield today, I thought, what a good day. Let's get outside and let's clean the basement out and get this thing organized, since we've been in the desert for the last 4 months, almost 5 months. Get rid of some of the dust, sweep this thing out, and kind of rearrange the containers that I've got all my hoses and water and all that good stuff in. So I pulled out the hoses and the what I call my hose bin, along with a few other items that have been here. We kind of swept out the basement, trying to reorganize it a little bit, make sure everything's in its place. I know it may not look good to you, but it's organized to me, and that's all that matters. So probably 4 years ago, when we started full-timing, we replaced our shower head with a, what do you call the water saver one? And I've been hanging on to this just in case. Yeah, I think our just in case is out the window. I'm going to keep the hardware out of this, like the screws, maybe a few other connections that might be in there that I might be able to put to use for something. But it's time to clean stuff out and throw it away. Are we downsizing again? Yeah, you could call it that. So these two are just laying here on the floor, looking up and out the back window of the RV. Kaylee. She was in that little spot of sunlight, but of course, as the day progresses. Hi there. You hear the birds? You're so crazy. Big bird. Sounds like lunch to me. Nope. Too much of an effort, eh? Bear, what do you think of your sister? You don't care. You're such a good dog. Yes, you are. Hey. Say hi to everybody. Bear. Say hi. How are ya?
Well, we're at Costco getting some propane. We just got done visiting with Ashley and Kent and Salem. And yes, I've got my earplugs in because there's a breeze outside and I don't want to get an earache. I know it looks ridiculous, but oh well, gotta do it. I'd rather look ridiculous than have an earache. So Bear got to go with us. She got to go into Home Depot. We had to go grab some batteries and some fuses. She thought that was pretty fun. Huh, Bear? Where's Daddy? Daddy getting some propane. I don't know how much it is here, but this is always the cheapest place to get some more propane. We're in the Bakersfield area, or we're in Bakersfield, and the North Costco started selling the propane first, and then this one, which is South Bakersfield, added the tank here. So that was handy for us because it's closer to where we stay and closer to where the kids live. So that's our day. Woohoo! So I'm doing some laundry today, doing all the bedding, and something that I did that I do every now and then, probably not as often as I should, but I took our pillows and put them in the big dryer with you know, fabric softener. Yeah, that's it. Fabric softener. Just kind of freshen them up, knock any dust out of them and everything. It's just a way that I do it to freshen them up a little bit, fluff them back up again, and get, like I said, the dust and stuff out of them. And I'm washing all the bedding, the big blanket, the sheets, the mattress cover, all that fun stuff. Woohoo! Way to spend a Wednesday. Tom wanted a snack, and we looked at the time and it was lunchtime, but I said, no, sorry, you'll have to have a snack because the kitchen is a craft room at the moment. I am playing with my Cricut. Thank you again, Greta. I am making a banner for our Salem's first birthday. Doing a double layer thing, so here's some of the letters, and then this color goes on top of this. We'll show you when it's all done. So for lunch, we always give Bear some green beans when we have our lunch. And we're out of green beans, so we're trying something new. All right, Bear, how do you like the broccoli?
You should see it from this side.
Are you making faces?
Here. Here, try that one. That one's a little different, isn't it?
Is that a stock?
Here you go. Have some delicious lunch. Boy, if you're getting that, I can't wait to see what I'm getting.
You're going to get a knuckle sandwich.
Oh boy, can I have lots of mayonnaise and mustard?
Sure. We are having dinner tonight at BJ's. And the reason why is because they have this fantastic seating area.
That's outdoors, but not outdoors. It's indoors.
That we can have.
We can bring Bear.
Miss Bear in there.
Hey, Bear.
Because we are traveling, so we need to be able to bring our puppy with us.
And we got a whole bunch of people coming and joining us tonight.
Yep, we're waiting for our friends. Oh, here's a mess. This is a really cool shopping area. It's in Valencia, and there's all these really neat shops, and then it leads to a really cool mall.
Good. Okay.
This steakhouse is really, really good. It's also really, really, really expensive.
Hey, didn't we eat there one time?
I think we've been there twice. We went
Really?
once for our anniversary and then
Yeah.
another time.
Because we had to take out a loan.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been there twice. We're still paying on it. We're standing here waiting for our friends to get here. And Bear is enjoying everyone that comes by and wants to pet her.
Yes, and then she turns around and looks at us like, did I do good? Did I do good?
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Is it okay?
What else is she waiting for?
We're just waiting for people to come out the door with leftovers so they can feed our poor dog.
Yeah, she looks like she's missing out on meals.
Yeah, not this one.
Aw, baby. You're gonna trip somebody with their leftovers so it lands on the ground and you get it, huh? Gary Greenberg, do I have your permission to put you on a video? Thank you so much.
Why? So Lori doesn't want to be on camera because she says she's not presentable. When have you ever seen that woman not presentable?
Quite a few times, actually.
Whatever. Thanks for watching Throw Up Thursday. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed and you're just kind of flying by, stop and click the little subscribe button. Click the button to get notified, the little bell, every time we put up a new video, which we try to do every Tuesday, Thursday, and our Saturday coffee chats. We appreciate you so much. Use the Amazon link below if you're going to be shopping online. Another way to help us out. See ya.
See ya.